For this project, we use STM32F103C8T6 72 MHz ARM Cortex M3. It has a 64K flash memory, 20K SRAM, 32.768 kHz crystal for RTC, and it has 3 buttons: user, boot, and reset. It has a USB cable Type C connector, 32 digital input and output pins, 14 analog inputs, FTTI converter. It has 4 pins which is used for connections to the STM board, that is TX, RX, VCC and ground, which is used for serial communication. The next component is RTC DS1307. It has 4 pins which is used for connection, that is SCL, STA, VCC and ground. It follows I2C communication. Next is the dot matrix display MAX 7219. It has 4 segments, each segment of 8x8. So total it is 8 into 32 dot matrix display. It has 5 pins: VCC, ground, DIN, CS and clock. It follows SPI protocol. Voltage regulator LM7805, which is used for giving a regulated output 5 volts in order to supply for the dot matrix display. Since the dot matrix display must be supplied by an external source, giving high voltage will damage the dot matrix display, so we use a voltage regulator. So the first pin is V in, ground, and then it is V out. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega328P. It has 14 digital input and output pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, a power jack, and an IC/SP header and a reset button. A 9-volt battery is also used in order to power up the MAX 7219 dot matrix display, and it is given to the input of the voltage regulator. These are the connections on the breadboard. This is STM32. A FTTI connector is connected to this STM32 for the serial communication and in order to upload the program. And the RTC module DS1307 is connected to this STM32. Dot matrix display MAX 7219 is connected to the Arduino Uno, and a supply for this MAX 7219 dot matrix display is given by an external 9-volt battery. And in order to get a regulated 5-volt output voltage, a voltage regulator LM7805 is connected. Serial communication between this STM32 and Arduino Uno is done by connecting the TX and RX pin of STM32 to the RX and TX pin of Arduino Uno respectively, and the common ground is given. After soldering all the components on the puff board, we are uploading the code using this link. After installing the required libraries, the code is verified and then uploaded. Then the output will be as shown. So we get the current date and time by using RTC module.